I'll let you in on a little secret from Fuller Whiskey here. Haven't really gotten into Scotch. Haven't really tried it. I thought this would be a good one to start with. Maybe you can put in the comments if it's something like I should check out. But this is Glenfiddich. It's aged 14 years in ex-bourbon barrels. I thought that'd be a good entryway for me to try out. It's 86 proof. It is a single malt Scotch whiskey. Okay, let's check it out. Wow, way different nose than I'm used to with bourbon. A lot of apples, a lot of pear, a lot of vanilla, a lot of honey. A little bit of, almost a tiny bit of floral, and then a little bit of corn. Could it be picking up from the sitting in used bourbon barrels for 14 years? That cold climate may have brought out some of that additional whiskey into the Scotch. Maybe. Let's check it out. Okay. Really coats the glass. I mean, it is coating this glass. Okay. Let's try another sip. That's interesting. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm definitely getting the apples and pears. A little bit, tiny bit of spice. This really similar to the nose. A lot of vanilla, a lot of honey. I swear I do pick up corn on there. A little bit of corniness in there. I guess pun intended. Tiny bit of oak at the back. Super sweet. Super easy sipper. I think this would be a really good sipper in the summer. Man, think about sitting around a campfire sipping on that. That would be pretty killer. It's cool it's in a half bottle, so if it didn't land with my palate, not really out a whole lot. Maybe try this in a summer cocktail. I think I will try that, actually. I think that'd be pretty killer. Are there any other Scotch I should check out? Put in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.